Okay. Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you ready with your workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
So all of you please take workbook and pencil, okay? And take page number 13. Take page number 13.
Ma'am, take it.
Okay, okay. Let me take my page, okay? Let me take. And we completed the number up to 8 last class. And today we will start from 9 onwards. Can you see the screen?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So the same page number 13 you can see on the screen. Okay. Arati Biju, keep your
Teacher,
screen open.
and number 9.
Okay. So fill in the blanks. Number 9. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Number 9.
Teacher,
Prarthana, read the question number 9. Workbook page number 13, question number 9.
the number name. The number.
Please, others, please be quiet. Others, please be quiet.
The number name of 50 is. Yes.
Okay. What's the number name?
T.
Say the spelling of 50.
T-Y.
F-I-F-T-Y. All of you please write F-I-F-T-Y. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Shall we move to the next one? Number 10. Very short answer questions.
Yes.
Okay, and we have very short answer questions. And number 10. Malavika, read. Malavika, read.
C-O-U-N-T. Count the number for
Locks. L-O-G-S. Locks.
and 10 pigs. Love in a given picture. Write I-T-S. It's number and number name.
Very good, very good. Count the number of logs. Logs means a piece of wood. Okay? Count the number of logs in the given picture. Write its number and number name. Okay? Count it. How many tens are there and how many ones are
10, 20, 30.
then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
okay, so how many tens? How many ones? How many tens? How many ones?
7.
How many tens and how many ones?
7 ones and 3 tens and 7 ones.
3 tens and 7 ones. All of you please write 3 tens and 7 ones. What's the number?
37.
37. And what's the spelling of 37? 37 spelling.
H-I-R-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. 7.
Very good. Very good. 37. T-H-I-R-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. IRTY 30, 7 SEVEN 37. So all of you please write the answer.
And
Yes, tell me.
I will not finish
Okay, I
writing.
will take the same page. You don't worry. That page gone. That's why.
Mary can't finish. Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Now you can see. Now can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
3 tens and
Yes,
7
ma'am.
ones. The number is 37 and the spelling THIRTY 37 SEVEN 7 37.
Sad. Okay, pa zero.
3 tens and 7 ones. The number is 37. The spelling THIRTY 7. Next we have Anna Catherine. Anna Catherine, please unmute and read the 11th question. Anna, start. HOW. What's the word HOW, Anna? HOW. How?
House.
Others, please be quiet. Okay. How? MANY. Many. How many? PLACES. Okay, Anna, it's not clear. I can't hear your voice. How many places? How many places do two-digit numbers have? How many places do two-digit numbers have? What is the answer? How many places are there for a two-digit number? How many places are there? Anna, how many places are there for a two-digit number? Two. Very good. Good girl. So we have the answer is 2 places. Okay. What is spelling of 2?
Two sides.
TWO. 2. PLACES. 2 places.
Two place.
Two places.
എന്റെ കൈ പിടിക്കാൻ നിൽക്കാൻ ആരാധി
2 places. Who
Who
is talking there? Be quiet. TWO 2 PLACES. 2 places. 2 places. Now next we have question number 12. Okay, are you ready? Sandria, unmute. Okay, we can read. Okay. Okay. Now question number 12. With the spelling C O
U
uh,
N T.
What's the word? COUNT. Count.
Cow.
Next word.
The.
Number.
N-U-N-B-E-R.
What's the word?
Number.
Number. Count the number.
Count the number.
O-F.
O-F.
Of.
O.
L-O-G-S. Locks.
O-G-S.
Locks. Locks means piece of wood. Okay.
I-N. In.
In.
T-N-E.
T-H-E. The.
J.
G-I-V-E-N.
G-I.
V-E-N. Given.
Even. P. I. C. T-U-R-E.
Picture. Count the number of locks in the given picture. W-R-I-T-E. What's the word W-R-I-T?
White.
Right.
Right.
I-E-S.
I-E-S. U.
M-B-E-R. Number. Writes its number. A-N-D. And again N-U-M-B-E-R. Number. Next. N-A-M-E. N-A-M-E. What is the word? Nail. Count the number of locks in the given picture. Write its number and number name. See, locks of wood is given. We have to count the number of locks and write the number name also. See how many tens are there? How many tens and how many ones? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tens are there?
9, 10.
How many bundles of tens are there? The others, please be quiet. How many bundles of tens are there? How many bundles of tens?
30 pages
Others, please be quiet. How many bundles of tens?
6.
6. Very good. So we can write 6 tens. Okay. How many ones are there?
1.
Only one. So 6 tens and 1. What's the number?
61.
Very good. It is 61. Okay. So 6 tens. 6 tens and 1. The number is 61. The number is 61. 6 tens and 1. The number is 61. What is the spelling of 61?
S-I-X-T-Y.
S-I-X-T-Y. 61. O-N-E-1. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. O-N-E-1. 61. 61. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Next, we have the number 13. Johan Judy, please unmute. Question number 13. Try to read the question number 13.
Write the number name of A36.
So we have question number A36. What is the spelling? 36. 36. What is spelling? Yeah.
SIX 3 THIRTY.
Very good.
SIX.
THIRTY. 30. SIX. All of you, please write the answer. A, we have 36. And spelling THIRTY. 30. SIX. 6. Then what about the B? Johan, what about the B?
4 times 9 1 49.
49. Okay. And what's the spelling of 49?
F
Ah,
O
ah,
R
ah.
T Y.
FORTY. There is no U in 40. Okay. FORTY. 40. NINE. 49. FORTY 40 and NINE 9. And those who completed can move to the page number 14. Page number 14. Shall we move to the next one? Next page number? Okay. Now the next page number 14.
Finish. And now this completes me.
Those who didn't complete, complete it. Complete it and then you can move to the number 14. Page number 40. Talk in English and be quiet. Anaya completed the number name.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I go to the toilet.
Oh yes, you can go.
Ma'am, I go to the toilet.
Yes, yes, you can go.
Ma'am, complete.
Okay, okay, good. So we will move to next page. Okay, page number 14. Shall I take the page number 14?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And we have the number.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rehan Hanifa, unmute. Rehan, unmute.
Yes.
And we have the question number 40. Try to read the question. WRITE. What's the word?
Right.
Others, please be quiet. Rehan, you start reading.
TH the
Right. The
CORRECT.
CORRECT. What's the word? Correct.
Correct.
Correct. Then
PLACE.
please.
VALUES.
Values. Right. The correct values of
TH
the
TIGITS.
What's the word? DIGITS.
Digit.
Digit. Very good. Next.
Digit.
Digits.
N.
In. Next.
THE the NUMBER.
Number. What is the number?
35.
35. Write the correct place values of the digits in the number 35. 35 is a two-digit number having two digits. Okay. Which are the two digits? 3 and 5. What is the place of 5?
35.
What is the place value of 5?
Ones.
Place value. So what we have to write? Place value. Place and value also. So place value. So 5 ones. What about the 3? What is the place value of 3? It's the tens place. So it is 3 tens. Okay. So all of you write the answer. The place value of
And 5 ones.
the place value of.
Is this correct?
Okay. Right. The place value of 5. It's not clear, Anaya. I can't read it. I will write the answer on the board. Okay, you please check it with that. The place value of 5. 5 ones. The place value of 3. Place value of 3. What is the place value of 3? 3 tens. Now all of you write the answer. Place value of 5 is 5 ones. Place value of 3 is 3 tens. Place value of 5 is 5 ones. Place value of 3 is 3 tens. Daniel completed. Completed the answer. Daniel Jindo.
No, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Okay.
Can say? Ma'am, Krishna Priya, finish.
Okay, Krishna Priya, very good. The place value of 3 is 3 tens. The place value of 5 is 5 ones.
Finish.
Okay. So next we have the number.
Ma'am,
50.
finish.
Okay, next we have the number 50. And Anaya, unmute and read the question. Number 15. Question number 50. Try to read.
Is
A number one.
Read the number 15.
7 in the ones place.
Read the question. Start.
71.
a number has
Very good. A number has
1 in the
uh,
tens place
and
and 7 in the ones place.
find the number. Okay.
Find
Ones
the
place
number.
we have. What's the number? Ones place 7. Tens place we have 1. So what is the number?
17.
17. So we can write ones place we have 7. Tens place we have 1. So we can write 110 and 7 ones. What is the number?
17.
17. The number is 17.
1
Right?
is 17.
110 and 7 ones. 110 and 7 ones. 110 and 7 ones. So the number is 17.
1 10 7 1.
The
1
number
10
is-
7 7 10.
The number is 17.
The correct tens of ones of
1 10 7 1.
Okay.
2 10
So shall we move to the next one?
5. Yes, ma'am.
And we have the number 16. Adityan, unmute. Adityan, unmute and try to read the number 16.
Yes.
It's number
Yes,
16.
ma'am.
Others, please be quiet. Adityan, try to read.
W.
Right. W-R-I-T. What's the word W-R-I-T? Right.
Correct.
The.
Tens and ones of a.
Right. The. So the spelling C-O-R-R-E-C-T. What's the word? Right. The. Correct. Correct. Write the correct.
Correct.
T-E-N-S. Very simple now. What's the word T-E-N-S? Tens. Good boy. A-N-D. And. Then next word.
Once.
Others please be quiet. O-N-E-S.
Once.
Somebody telling the reading. Please be quiet. Please mute your system and you can read it. No problem. Okay. So we have write the correct tens and ones. What's the first number, Adityan? What is the first number? First number. What is the first number? A.
25.
A we have. A we have
25.
5. Okay. A we have 25. Adityan, how many tens and ones are there in the number 25? How many tens and how many ones?
Tens and 5 ones. मुझे वो कौन करना है
और किधर आना है
मैं इसके लिए मुझे वो करना
Who is making noise here? Adityan, tell me the answer. How many tens and how many ones in the number 25? I can't hear you. Still loud.
Atikat kalkende.
25 2 tens and
5 ones.
5 ones. 2 tens and 5 ones. What about the next number? What's the next number, Adityan? We have 79. Okay, 79. How many tens and how many ones? How many tens and how many ones?
And
We have
7 tens.
very good. 7 tens and 9 ones. Right, right. 7 tens and 9 ones. Seven tens and 9 ones.
G.
7 tens and 9 ones, 79. 2 tens and 5 ones, 25.
U. P. Group. Okay, group 1. Group 1 10.
So the remaining we will do next day. Okay. There's number 17 and 18. We will do it in the next class. Now let me give you one activity from this chapter. See, you have to make an abacus. Okay. You have to make an abacus. How we will make an abacus? You can use that toothpaste box you can use. Okay, that box you can take and make two holes, leaving some distance between the holes. Okay, and you can use two sticks as a rods, and you can put the beads on that, and you can make a desired number and make the take the photo and send to me. Okay, not by today or tomorrow, by next Monday only you have to make it. Okay, the instructions I
Okay,
will
ma'am.
put in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so you have
Okay,
to
ma'am.
abacus. So by this I am winding up today's session. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Bye, bye, ma'am.
the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
See you.
Bye, bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.